Hello everybody, SAF Sinpu here. Hope you are well. Today we're gonna learn how to disable your comments on your Facebook profile. So let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. After opening the Facebook app, go to your profile section and scroll down for disable comments on your Facebook profile. You have to find the posts you want to uh, disable comments. So find your desired post and then click to the three dot menu. Here you can see who can comment on your post option below edit post. Now click on that. You can see lots of options for commenting. First one is public, second one is friends and established followers, third one is friends, and last one is profile and pages you mention. Only profiles and pages you mention will be able to comment. That means you can choose which people can comments on your Facebook post. If you are choosing last option, then no one can be comment on your post. So that's the um, options that you can disable your Facebook post or Facebook profile. You just to tap in every post and click to who can comment on your post and then choose the option. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.